अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम आपको सैमसंग गैलेक्सी S23 प्लस के बारे में इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे।
Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, released 2023, the 17th of February, 196 grams, 7.6 mm thickness, Android 13, One UI 5.1, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes storage, no card slot 6, 1080 times 2000, 340 pixels, 50 MP, 4320p, 8 gigabytes RAM, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4700 mAh, network technology GSM, CDMA, HSPA, eVideo, LTE, 5G LUNCH announced 2023, the 1st of February, status available. Released 2023, the 17th of February, BODY dimensions 157.8 times 70, 62 times 76 mm, 6.21 times 300 x 030 in weight 196 grams, 6.91 ounces, build glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, glass back, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, aluminum frame, SIM, nano SIM and eSIM or dual SIM, 2 nano SIMs and eSIM, dual standby, IP68 dust, water resistant, up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes, armor aluminum frame, with tougher drop and scratch resistance, advertised, display type dynamic AMOLED 2x, 120Hz, HDR10+, 1200 nits, HBM 1750 nits, peak, size 6.6 inches, 105.3 square centimeter, approximately 87.6% screen to body ratio, resolution 1080 times 2340 pixels, 19.59 ratio, approximately 393 ppi density, protection Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 always on display platform, OS Android 13, One UI 5.1 chipset, Qualcomm SM8550, AC Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 4nm, CPU, octa-core, 1x 3.36 GHz Cortex-X3 and 2 times 2.8 GHz Cortex-A 715 and 2 times 2.8 GHz Cortex-A 710 and 3 times 2.0 GHz Cortex-A 510. GPU Adreno 740, memory card slot no, internal 256 GB, 8 GB RAM, 512 GB, 8 GB RAM, UFS 4.0, main camera triple 50 MP, f1.8, 24mm, wide, 1.56, 1.0 m, dual pixel PDAF, OIS 10 MP, f2.4, 70mm, telephoto, 13.94, 1.0 m PDAF, OIS, 3x optical zoom 12 MP, f2.2, 13mm, 120, ultra-wide, 12.55, 1.4 m, super steady video, features LED flash, auto HDR, panorama video 8824, 30 fps, 4K 830, 60 fps 1080p 830, 60, 240 fps, 1080p 8960 fps, HDR10 plus, stereo sound REC, Euro Eyes selfie camera single 12 MP, f2.2, 26mm wide dual pixel PDAF, features dual video call, auto HDR, HDR10 plus video 4K 830, 60 fps, 1080p 830 fps, sound loudspeaker yes, with stereo speakers, 3.5mm jack no, 32-bit, 380 for kHz audio tuned by AKG comms, WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 A B G N AC 6E tri-band, Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth 5.3, a 2DP, LE positioning, GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo NFC yes, radio no, USB Type-C 3.2, odd features, sensors, fingerprint, under display, ultrasonic, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer, Samsung DeX, Samsung Wireless DeX, desktop experience support, Bixby, natural language commands and dictation, Samsung Pay, Visa, MasterCard certified, ultra wideband, UWB, support battery, type Li-ion 4700 mAh, non-removable charging, 45W wired, PD 3.0, 65% in 30 minutes, advertised, 15W wireless, Qi, PMA, 4.5W reverse wireless MISC colors Phantom Black, Cream, Green, Lavender, Graphite, Lime models SMMS 916B, SMMS 916B, DS, SMMS 916U, SMMS 916U1, SMMS 916W, SMMS 916N, SMMS 9160, SMMS 916E, SMMS 916E, DS0 Saudi Riyal and 95 Halala W, kg head, 1.04W, kg, body, SARU 0.77W, kg, head, 1.45W, kg, body, price $930, 1,149 euros and 99 cents. 1,049 British pound, 94,999 rupees, 1,399 Nicaraguan Cheridoba and 99 centavo TSTS Performance Antutu, 1234077, V9, Geekbench, 5073 V51, FS Bench, 110 FPS, ES 3.1 on screen, display contrast ratio, infinite, nominal, camera photo, video loudspeaker 26.5 LUFS, good, battery life endurance rating 111 hours.
3D मॉडल और पिक्चर्स को डिटेल में देखते हैं। Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe my channel Gadget Tech Reviews.